everyone, here today joining in on Jovi and Norma Lisa's gnometastictassels, and today is the Shabby Chic one, so obviously I'm joining in on that one. I have got a lot of laces, some voile, cotton fabric. Oh, there's just this pretty little fabric that I've put in. There's just loads. There's some netting. So all I've done is I've cut them into strips of approximately 30 inches, because I will be trimming the bottom, I think. I don't know. So, and I'm not even, all I've done is just layered them up like this. So what I'm going to do is just grab the centre and tie it up. And this is my little, I've saved some of this. This is just the scrappy end. So we're going to tie that up just to hold them together. And obviously that will be my hang. Oh, very crooked hang. Okay guys, what I'm going to do is I might just tie this slightly, because it's going to be quite tricky to turn this into it's trying to escape already. It's very bulky. So I wonder if I can wrap it a little bit just to sort of help it get that sort of hat shape, just a little bit with this. Let's just do that. Oh, come here. Come here. Right, I'll tie that up. Try and pull it so I've got a bit more of a point at the top instead of a puff ball. Right, let's get rid of that. Right, so that should help me when I come to wrap it. Now let's just move that out of the way. I'm going to wrap it up with this cotton fabric, which I've just cut into a strip across the grain, and it sort of made it fray really nicely. So I'm going to start here and wrap. And I'm going to try and turn the fabric, not the tassel, otherwise it gets all twisted. So let's squeeze this up. I know that's going to get in the way. Slowly go up. This is the tricky bit, is the top bit. I could put something on the top just to, oh no, don't turn the tassel. See what happens if you turn the tassel, everything starts twisting. You need to turn the sort of top. Right, I'm going to go down. I don't want too much bulk at the top. So let's go down the hat. Yeah, my cutting was a bit squiffy, but I thought, you know what, it's going to be on here, so it'll be fine. Now, how big do we want our hat? This is the next question. Go around a few more times here. I don't think I want a big hat. I want to see all my pretty. Right, a little bit more maybe. And down a bit. And just go up there. And as usual, I am not using my hot glue gun. I don't like my hot glue gun. I know everybody uses it, but I find that this 3-in-1 stuff works. Well, you know, usually works. If it didn't have a big blob of glue stuck in the end of it. There we we go. Now it'll work. So we're just going to pop that down. Okay, right, we're going to finish him off. Or her. First thing I want to do is put on the beard and the nose. This is my beard. It's like a tassel. I'm going to make a tassel and attach it like I attached the bead last week. Hopefully it'll work. I'm not going to tie it too tight because it might make it look funny. But that's my beard, and it's going on. Because what I should have done is put it in with all the rest of the fibres when I made my tassel, but I forgot. So it's going on now. I'm going to tie a knot. Hopefully it'll look like a beard. We're going to go for it anyway and see what happens. Winging it, winging it. Okay, we don't need that, so we can cut them off. Oh, it does look like a little beard. How cool is that? I'm liking that. And it's going to be scruffy because it's you know, shabby. Now, I need to do something with my hat. So I'm thinking, I've got this flower that I'm going to add at some point. And I've got these that I might put on as well, which are quite sweet. I've got one of these dangling somewhere in all this lot. Probably a bit lost. So I'm thinking about putting a couple of these on. Maybe with a ball pin or something. I don't know. But I just want to do like the rim of the hat. And I'm thinking this shabby stuff would probably work. Oh, nose. I can't do the nose because I need to do that last because of the glue. Because I am just going to try and put it in with this because I haven't got my hot glue out. Right, so we're going to wrap this shabby bandage stuff. Oh, what I put the glue away for. Around the bottom as the little bottom of the hat. And just get this first bit down, and then I'm just going to wrap it round and round. I just think this might look quite cute. We'll have a look. We'll have a look in a minute. Right, wrap it round. I'm not going to keep turning it. Okay, liking that. Oh, good. Look, it's finished off at the back as well. How cool is that? Anybody would think I'd actually made that to fit. Okay, right, let's attach the hat, the flower. Let's attach the flower at the front where the beard is. There's a little dip here, and I'm thinking I'm going to put it there. Or maybe lower down. It's not very flat. At the top, I could just put it at the top. I think I'm going to need my hot glue, aren't I? We're going to try. We're going to attach it to the very top because there's a bit there that's flat. That is the only reason. Because it's flat at the top. So if I just take this off here. It wasn't planned. I did see these earlier and I thought, oh, they'll be nice. Have I got a ball pin? Go on, say I've got a ball pin in here. That would be nice. There is one. Oh, do you know, I knew I'd seen one. I knew it. I'm going to attach it with this. You know you've seen it. And it's there somewhere. And I am probably going to decorate this hat a little bit more. But what I'm going to leave you for now because it's been quite a long video. And I'm just going to get this in where I can. Ah, there's a little fold there. So I'm going to pop that on there. I'm going to pop a few more bits on it and then I'll show you some photos. But I want to put his nose in, because obviously that's like quite an important bit, and that sort of brings the gnome to life, doesn't it? So we're gonna try and poke this up there somehow. I think I've wrapped that quite tight. I'm not sure I like that either. Right, I'm going to decorate the hat and then I'll be back. But how cute is that looking? Just needs something else around my hat. But I will finish him off and I'll show you some photos. I love him. I think he's just adorable. Love, love, love. Thank you for watching, guys. And don't forget to go check out Jovi and Norma, Lisa, and everybody else who's making these gnome tassels. It is so much fun. Do join in. We're doing the Christmas one next week. So, you know, if you've got any Christmas journals that you're doing, you want to add a tassel, make it a gnome tassel and join in.